Namaste. I welcome you to take a seat. Like we always say that yoga is for everybody, and actually we can practice yoga everywhere. Though a lot of times we go for the conventional way, put on our nice yoga leggings and roll out our mat. Now in this series, I'd like to invite you to do a little bit less conventional way. We take the seat and we will practice chair yoga. Now, chair yoga is seen a lot of times for people who are maybe a little bit more senior, or it is very helpful as well if one is having injuries. Though, as a normal yoga practitioner, you can benefit a lot of working with this amazing tool with the chair. And you might find some new things in your body. You might find some new things that you can put in your practice. You might find some new ways how to evolve in your practice and open the body in a less conventional way. So I invite you to take a seat with me. Doesn't matter how old you are. Doesn't matter how flexible you are. We will work in every class on mobility and creating full range of motion in a joint. We work on flexibility. We will even come off the chair and you decide if you want to use the chair or not. We work on stability and balance in the body. And of course, with all of that, we will work on strength as well. So again, let this be the invitation to do something a little bit unconventional. Take a seat and do some yoga with me. I see you there.